fun New Year's glam. Cool. Hello my loves, today I'm going to do a New Year's glam transformation. I was looking earlier at all of my past New Year's Eve looks and a lot of them are like super dramatic. Last year I did this really fun like cut crease with like glittery lipstick and like all these different things, so I'll link that video down below if you want to go watch it. I still love the look, but I thought today I would do a bit of a more like neutral glam with some glitter still and just like keep it a little bit more simple but still really glam. Like, how many times can I say glam? And I'm wearing this like bronze dress right now. I don't think I'm actually gonna wear this for New Year's because I think we're doing a color theme of like white and denim for New Year's at my house, but I thought this dress would be like perfect for this video because it's very New Year's Eve. But I'm gonna do a look that'll go with like anything, like color, nude, black, white, like whatever you're gonna wear. So I'm gonna start out with some Bondi Sands gold lights. I don't even know what you would call this. It says that you can wear it alone, mix it with base product, or illuminate your face. So I'm gonna use it like a primer today just to give myself a super glowy complexion. I'm wearing this like clip-in ponytail. It's falling out currently, so I'm just gonna avoid turning my head so you can't see. It's literally, it looks so bad. We'll just toss that behind. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this, or a lot of bit of this. It's definitely not a little amount. I've also got this like over my chest and body as well. I've got a bit of red staining from when I did my last festive look so please don't mind that. Now I'm going to conceal around my eyebrows. I'm going to use Benefit Boing. This is in the shade 3. Drawing that around the edges. And then I'm just going to take a little concealer brush and blend this out and create like super sharp lines. And this just makes it so much easier to fill in my eyebrows, and my eyebrows just look better when I do this. So today's look's going to be something that hopefully like any of you can recreate. I'm not going to do anything too fancy because in the past I've done like cut creases and like crazy winged out styles and stuff like that. So this time I'm going to do something a little bit more wearable and probably something similar to what I'm going to create. And I'm thinking of doing a get ready with me for New Year's this year with my friends. So if I do that, you guys will be seeing it soon. Hopefully I remember to pack my camera with me. Now I'm going to take some foundation and my Flawless Finish sponge. I'm going to start with the Pat McGrath Skin Lab Skin Fetish. And this is in the shade Light Medium 14. I've been liking this with the sponge lately. I think just the color is quite nice for me right now. So I'm just going to blend this all over my skin. And I might mix in a little bit of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 200W, just because I'm not quite as tanned as I was a few days ago because my tan is washing off. So this will just lighten it a little bit. I'm just blending that in. So comment down below, let me know what your plans are for New Year's. Are you a partier, or are you a stay at home and get some sleep kind of person? Or are you like hang out with your family person? What do you normally do on New Year's? Because I went through a phase of like hard out partying, and then I went through a phase of like doing nothing. But now that we've got our little beach house, we love to just like have all of our friends over and throw like a big New Year's party and watch the fireworks at midnight. Look how pretty those foundations look mixed together. Woo! That's what I think I like this. Like, I like this mixed. I did do a first impression on this to see if it was worth the price because it's like ridiculously expensive. I'll list the video down below if you haven't seen it before. It's a little bit like, you know, it's from like a couple of months ago, but it's still relevant. But yeah, I do like it mixed. Would I purchase it again? Probably not, just because it's so expensive. It is so stunning, but like, wow. I am a huge fan of the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. I also did a first impression on that. I'll link below. Go watch it. It's such a nice foundation. Is it my holy grail? Maybe not my actual holy grail, but it's definitely up there. My holy grail is the NARS Natural Radiance foundation. I find it similar. I don't know why I don't like, do I like it as much as the NARS one? Maybe. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm still just like, I don't know, I'm trying to decide, but I love it. I've got like a little bit of like eczema just here, so this probably isn't good for it, but I'm just gonna dab what's left on my sponge over top. It's so weird, I like randomly get it every now and then on my chest, but only my chest. I don't know what causes it. It just kind of goes away by itself eventually. Then I'm gonna take my concealer and apply some under my eyes to conceal these bags, because these bags are not what I had in mind for this look. Oh my god, do you like my slut strands? This is what we used to call them in New Zealand. Is that like a worldwide thing, or is that just a Kiwi thing? Back when I was like 12, slut strands. The two pieces of fringe hanging down from the front. I've come full circle. I really like this concealer, by the way. It's really nice. and it doesn't like budge. Okay, now we're looking flawless. I'm just going to quickly set everything so that it stays in place. Under my eyes, I'm going to use a little bit of my Well Rested by Bare Minerals just to really brighten the area. I'm using it on a shimmer tulip brush. Oh my god, I'm like sticking to this fabric. Okay, honestly I need another bobby pin because one bobby pin is not cutting it for this thing. It's funny because the ends of my hair, like this is my hair and hair, so it like matches, but because my hair is so grown out, I'm getting it done tomorrow. I actually thought I was gonna get it done today, but I'm not. I'm gonna get it done tomorrow. That was lucky. I almost was that person that like turned up to my hair appointment like the wrong day. Have you guys ever done that with an appointment? Because I have, and it's not ideal. But anyways, I feel like when I get my blonde brought up a bit, I'm still gonna keep the super dark root, but I'm gonna bring the blonde, you know, back up here again. I feel like this ponytail will match a bit better then, hopefully. I don't care. I refuse to take it out. I don't care. Do you know how long it took me to do this? Honestly, I feel like it should be really fast, and it probably will be once I practice some more. But I'm just like really bad at hair things. On the rest of my face, I'm going to take Charlotte Tilbury powder in medium because I'm feeling fancy today. I'm just gonna tap that on the rest of my skin. I really like this powder. I don't know why I don't use it more, probably because it's expensive as. I'm just gonna blend any excess down my neck. Oh man, my skin looks like butter. Look at that coverage. So smooth, not a pore to be seen. Oh, I look like I've got eye wrinkles though. I need to blend out this some more. Now I'm going to take my Hamptons Weekender palette and I'm going to take the contour blush and I don't know about the highlight. We'll see what we do on the eyes first. Just using a bronzer brush to contour. Use whatever contour you like. You don't have to copy the exact products I'm using, of course. Just use this as inspo. For any glam transformation, like duh, I'm gonna contour. Putting a little bit on my nose. Help straighten it up a bit. Chin. Maybe my teeth are looking white. Love that. Alright, now I'm going to, like before I blush, bronze a little. Surprise, surprise. I'm just going to use my favorite bronzer at the moment, which is Saint Tropez. It looks like this. It's so pretty and just makes my skin look so bronzed and warm. Oh my god, you can see all of that Bondi sand stuff on the palm of my hands, look. I need to go wash them. So I'm just using the exact same brush, going over my cheekbones, over my cheeks, temples. Literally the color of this is just so perfect. It makes me look, I don't even know, like just so healthy. I wonder how long it'll take me to hit pan on this color. And then same brush again just to help blend everything. I'm taking Summer House by Tarte from the little palette I used before and just applying a little bit. And I'm just going in with this color because it literally suits like any makeup look, so I know it'll look good. And then just blending that out. I literally take like the smallest tap because I don't want it to look crazy. We'll highlight later, so we've gone for that super bright under eye look. Super glam. It looks crazy when you don't have anything on your eyes though, like. Alrighty, now I'm gonna take my Heaps of Sweets palette. I know heaps of you guys are getting this for Christmas, so I thought I'd do a really fun New Year's look for those of you who do have it, and if you don't have it, feel free to recreate the look with, you know, eyeshadow colors you have. So first I'm going to take a little bit of macaron, which is like a warm kind of crease tone. This one right in the corner right here. Should I be priming my eyes? I probably should be, but whatever. And I'm just using a big fluffy brush. This one's actually from Mecca Cosmetica. It's a little bit itchy when I use it, I'm not gonna lie, but it does a good job. Just swirling that all the way into the crease. This color is like so pretty and soft. It's like one of my favorite everyday go-to eyeshadow colors. I'm gonna run that underneath my eyes too. This eye makeup's going to be so easy. I'm doing the exact same thing on the other eye. And then I'm going to take a firm blender brush. I'm going to take the shade Caramel, which is this terracotta brown. I'm going to run that in the crease, in the outer corner. This color is definitely like one of my all-time favorites. I'm going to take a little bit closer to the lash line along the bottom. And the exact same thing on the other eye. Just making sure the colors are super blended because I want it to look nice and smoky for New Year's. And then I'm going to dampen a dense shadow brush with my Glam Glow setting spray. I'm going to take a mixture of pretzel and cupcake, which seems weird, but trust me. And I'm just packing that on the eyelid. And then of course do the exact same thing on the other eye. No shit, Shannon. Really pressing that in there. Oh, how pretty are those tones. You can go back in with a little bit more cupcake if you want to make it a little bit smokier again. Blend out any edges. Obsessed. And I'm taking a tiny little brush and taking the shade Sugar, which is the light pinky kind of color. putting a little bit on the inner corner. And then I'm going to take a tiny bit of brownie. This one's like super pigmented, so just take a tiny amount and I'm going to put that on the outer V. Then going back in again with caramel and just making sure that all of the edges are blended. Now you can layer glitter on top if you want. I might do a little bit, completely optional. It depends how like out there you want to go, because I am going to do some gems as well. What's new? I'm obsessed with gems at the moment. I'm going to take Bronze Metal by Milani. This is the Metallic Lights liquid eyeshadow, brand new. Woo. And what I'm going to do with this is like scrape off whatever's on the like applicator. So I've got the tiniest amount on the applicator. And I think I'm just going to put this right in at the middle of my eyelid, just to really make the ball of my eye pop. And then just take my little eyeshadow brush I used before and just kind of blend it a little bit. Ow, my elbow just clicked. Did you hear that? That was really loud. It's actually a lot paler than I thought it was going to be. So I'm just going to add a little bit more pretzel mixed with cupcake. Just kind of around it on the edges of where I applied it so that it's a little bit more toned down. That's a bit better. See, when you turn your head you just get this like duochrome effect almost with those eyeshadows mixed together. And if you guys are wearing like any kind of like nude color, like holy crap. If you're wearing something that you want it to be a bit less warm, like a less warm eyeshadow color, then all you have to do is substitute macaron for vanilla, use vanilla instead, and then use more brownie, a little bit less of caramel, and then just use cupcake on your eyelids and you'll have a very similar effect, except it'll be less warm toned. So like maybe if you were wearing, I don't know, like, I don't even know, like blue or purple or something, and you wanted it to look a little bit less like this. You know what I mean. Next up, I'm doing some winged eyeliner. I'm just going to use my Tom Ford one and just gonna wing that out, kind of dramatic, maybe like that big. Mascara, I'm using my Better Than Sex by Too Faced. I'm going to use it on top and bottom. And then for lashes, I'm going to take these shitty looking, not the lashes, but the packaging. These are the Hero from ENQUIRIES Beauty. They're from the party stack, and you can see they're the last pair left on here because this friggin' poor packaging has just been hammered. But the lashes themselves are so friggin' pretty, so I'll show you how they look on. So here is the before and after. The glue is still drying though. They're like the perfect, just like wearable length, just like voluminous and separated and pretty. So I think they complement this eye makeup look perfectly. I didn't want to do anything too dramatic today because like I said, like the last few years have been like crazy. This has come and done it again. Where the heck are all my bobby pins? And my waterline, I'm just going to go nude. This is the Nabla nude eyeliner. Now that these are starting to dry, I'm just going to use my lash applicator tweezer to squeeze the false lash with my natural lash. Once again, use any pair of falsies you want, but it's New Year's. Use some falsies, it's fun. I forgot how much I love this style. Now for my eyebrows, I'm just going to use my Brow. I'm just going to fill in any areas I need to. I really need a brow tint, and to be honest, I need new brow tattoos because right now my eyebrows are like bold. I'm just like thickening up the end of my brows too. Pretty sure this eyebrow is way thicker than this one. Just gonna use the definer shade from my, what is this called again? Brow Contour Pro, and just thin out this eyebrow a little. It's a bit better, I think. And while we're here, I'm gonna run this all across just to highlight my brow bone a little. And then I'm just gonna take this little lip detail brush and just blend that out. And then to set the brows in place, I feel like this has moved a little bit. I'm just going to use some of my Beguila Brow Set by MAC. I just love the color. For my highlighter today, I'm going to use something a little bit different. This is the Inglot Sparkling Dust Face, Eyes and Body. Just because I feel like using something I haven't used in a long time. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to use it on a face detail brush. I'm just taking a little bit out of the cap. And then I'm going to apply this on the high points of my cheeks. It's like ridiculously blinding, holy moly. I'm going to take a little bit just on my collarbones. Whoops, I got it in my dress. A little bit on the titties. On the tip of my nose. I like to bring it like kind of on this part of my nose. Tiny bit right there. And then I'm going to take my Shimmer Tula brush and just blend it out. And then a little bit on my eye definer brush. right underneath the brow bone. My camera just cut out, by the way. Hopefully I did not miss anything important. Wow. Okay, so that's the eye makeup and face done. Now we've just got to do the lip. I feel like doing a little like kind of pop of color because I just feel like New Year's is the perfect opportunity for it. Clearly this would look amazing with nude lips, like let's be honest. So I'm going to show you with like a berry tone because I think that would look bomb. Actually, I'm going to film this as like a little mini Instagram video, so I'll insert the little mini Instagram video right now.
Can we go? If I can go, just tell me where the river goes. And even if we never get home, it's okay, though it's the danger zone.
Alright, lips are done. We have Kelly lip pencil and we have Boy Oh Boy liquid lipstick, completely matte, so it's going to last all New Year's night. It's long wear. I'm going to finish off my makeup by putting on some setting spray. That smells so good. And then let me finish off the entire look by grabbing some blingy earrings. These earrings make the most annoying noise when I wear them on like video, but they look so cute. So here is my finished New Year's Eve makeup. Wait, no, it's not. I was gonna put on some gems. Oh my god, how could I forget the gems? So I have these like bronze colored gems which will match my outfit perfectly. If you're wearing like gold jewelry, you could do gold, or silver jewelry, do silver, etc. colors. Why not? But I'm just gonna do these little bronze ones to match my outfit of the day. And I'm going to just pop a few of these like above my eyeliner. I'm just using these like teeny tiny ones. I'm going to create a tiny little row of these. Can you even see what I'm doing? I'm going to have to like crop this part of the video out and just show you how it looks after they're on, because I'm going to just keep disappearing like underneath where you can see. Oh my god, get on my eye. I just put a tiny bit of glue on my tweezer and kind of dab it off. Makes it just sticky enough to pick up the gems. Pick it up, pop it on, pick it up, pop it on, and just keep going across your lash line. I'll be right back. I love, damn it, I just realized that one's like really not close to my lash line. Ah, so cute though, it almost looks like little studs. So shiny, and they just add that touch of like fun New Year's glam. Cool. If you don't have sequins, you can also just do a little bit of glitter just above the black eyeliner to get like a very similar effect. And then just to completely finish off the look, I'm going to add a little bit of my Twilight Lip Service Lip Glaze, the Il Makiage Kali Bible color. I love this. Just on the center of my lips, I'm going to blend it out. Oh my god, I love that lip combo. So there we have it. That is the completed look. The earrings are probably a bit much now that I've added all of the sequins and the lip gloss and everything. Very simple, soft New Year's look, or you could even tame it all the way down and do like a everyday makeup look. Just using the eyeshadow, not adding all of the like falsies, not adding the lip gloss, not adding the bright lip, not adding the studs slash rhinestones. I'm in love. I love this look. It's definitely very different to my past couple of like New Year's inspired looks, and honestly easy. Even the like gemstones are really easy to do. Take your time and just try to like get them right on the edge of that black eyeliner. These ones here I kind of went a little bit wonky. This side's a little bit better. It's not as hard as it looks. Like, it's a really impressive look and it just catches the light. Honestly, it's not that hard. What I did was I just used a little brush on lash glue, brush it a little bit, and then put on like 4, brush it a little bit more, put on like another 4, just take my time. It probably only took me still like 5 minutes, so it doesn't take too long, and I did get lash glue in my hair, so don't do that. If you enjoyed this chit chat, get ready with me, New Year's inspired makeup, please thumbs up, and if you do recreate it, don't forget to Don't forget to tag me in your photos. I would love to see. Tag me on your Instagram stories. I'm checking them like every single day, so don't forget to tag me. Let me know if you prefer the look with the earrings or without the earrings. I love it. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!